Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. I did miss 2 days, and as some of you may know, I've replied to some of your comments coming in. I decided to take 2 days off. I need to clear my mind and I need to go enjoy. As you guys know, I've been grinding, giving you guys daily content, so a little bit of a break here and there is needed. And everyone that found out that I was just taking 2 days off was very supportive, saying Crypto ZX, you deserve it. So I appreciate each and every single one of you for coming and supporting my channel on a daily basis. But we're back on schedule, so let's get right into it. So as of July the 9th, you can see the price is currently sitting at 35,231. We're up about 9% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 8% in both Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours in Milady's price, which is a great thing to see, of course. Looking at its market cap, it's above that very, very important $30 million market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at almost $6 million. So what is next? What really is next for the price of ladies? That's what we're going to discuss. That's where I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys. If we're looking at their if we're looking at their Twitter account, 66.1k followers. As far as announcement goes, there's nothing as of now. And if we're looking at the holder count, we're seeing the holder count increasing, 15,640 holders, which is great to see. And obviously this should not be a surprise to anyone. We did see the price go up about 9%, so obviously the holders count is going to go up. But you know what time it is? It is time to talk about the price. But before we get into the price, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at its market cap, $31.1 million. And now let's take a big look at what really is happening. So obviously we know after losing that massive level of support, which I discussed with you guys, I was saying, there's a high chance that we could be losing the support because we were seeing some massive weakness coming in for the price of ladies around that range. And as soon as we saw the price lose that support line, look at that sharp decline for the price. We saw the price of ladies drop down about 31%. Yes, 31% retracement, a huge retracement for the price of ladies. But looks like we got supported by the previous high that we were setting for ourselves on June 9th before we saw this massive upside. You can see this for yourself. We got supported literally around that range. And if you bought back within that time frame, you are up right now about after the retracement 11%, but we did see the price go up about 21% after retesting that June 10th high. So what exactly is next now? That might be the question that everyone has on their mind. Like, what really is next? Is this showing us good momentum that's building up on the price of ladies? Obviously, seeing a reversal like this, a 21% increase, is always a good thing. And not only that, the biggest thing that I can see right now in front of me is, you remember this June 19th wick, that was a level of support. We did break above that just a few hours ago, but right now we're seeing a minor retest. Obviously this retest is due to the fact that Bitcoin is also seeing a little bit of a consolidation going on, and obviously a lot of manipulation happening within the price of Bitcoin, long, shorts, both being liquidated. The price is ranging between this $30,000 and $31,000 mark, but this is affecting the entire market. But right now what I'm seeing with ladies is this momentum that we're seeing shift shows that there could be a new move coming sooner than a lot of people think. And obviously a 21% increase is quite impressive. And the most important thing now is that this $30 million market cap is a huge level of resistance. As you guys may know, last time when we were breaking out here, we saw something similar happen. And right now you can see we are seeing on June 15 we saw like something like this happen. Let me bring out the tool for you guys so you can see. We went up, we saw a retracement, so we're seeing the same thing we saw, and we're literally being supported by that same time. If we were to see a little bit more volume coming in, we could push literally straight back to that level of resistance, that 4531 cents mark. So that would be a move of roughly another 30%, and I can see that happening quite fast. Remember what I've said, a low market cap coin, and the community is massive. As far as the project, and going back to what I'm saying, over my last few updates, I always criticized that their overall devs or whoever's running their Twitter, there's a lack of engagement. I've said that literally from the beginning, but lately what I've seen was 2-3 comments coming here and there saying, hey, CryptoZX, why are you talking bad about ladies? Guys, I've said this to you guys from the beginning. If I don't like something, I'm going to say it right off the bat. I'm not just going to be here being unrealistic. If the price is clearly showing weakness, I'm going to say it is showing weakness. If you don't like that, if you don't like me telling you guys straight up answers, unfortunately, then, I don't think this is the right video for you, because I'm going to keep it 100% straight up. And of course, I've criticized that, they need to start, engaging with their followers, because the reason as to why I say that is because the community is huge. It's a humongous community, and if you want to be a successful project, if you want to be a successful meme coin, then you need to have your community involved. And I've said that from the beginning. Some people don't like me saying that, but I'm gonna say what comes to my mind. If you don't like that, again, it's my personal opinion. If you don't like that, then you have your own opinions, of course, and I respect everyone's opinions, but I'm really liking what I'm seeing right now. We're seeing now momentum is shifting. Now you may be saying, CryptoZX, now you're saying momentum is shifting. Yes, it's shifting. We saw a nice bounce since we've been in a downwards trajectory here. Let's put it this way. Since we've been in a downwards trend, we didn't see a 21%, a move from the lows. So you can see we saw about 7% here. We saw about 7% there. So this shows a shift is happening. So right now, what I would recommend you guys doing is focusing very, very closely on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does hit a new yearly high this upcoming week, I could see the price of ladies really rebounding and back above this level of resistance, and we could be back to where we were in a matter of no time. So remember, small cap coins can move up very fast, but at the same time, they have higher risk involved. Higher risk, higher reward. People don't understand a lot, that basic thing. So if you are investing in a meme coin, and it's a low cap meme coin, guess what? You're going to be bearing more risk. If you think you can handle that, then I've said to everyone from the beginning, then I guess you don't need cryptocurrencies. You might want to rethink what cryptocurrencies all about, and that clearly indicates that you have not done your research. High risk, high reward. That's what ladies is all about. So right now, in the immediate short term, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Shows me something similar compared to what we saw on June 15th. But of course, we'll take it one step at a time. I will keep you guys posted, if anything were to happen. But I would recommend you guys to pay very close attention to the price of Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin moves up, I am expecting that ladies will do a massive recovery. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. Always lock profits in on your way up. See you tomorrow at some CryptoZX, and peace out.